At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for a clothing brand involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Research and planning. Research your market and decide on your brand name, target audience, and unique selling propositions. Make sure the name you choose is available and not trademarked by someone else. 2. Choose a state. Decide which state you want to form your LLC in. Most often, it's where your business is located. Consider factors such as taxes, fees, and regulations in different states. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the Secretary of State's office in your chosen state. You'll need to provide basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and the names of its members/managers. 4. Draft an operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's advisable to create an operating agreement. This document outlines ownership structure, member responsibilities, voting rights, and other important details. It helps prevent disputes among members and provides clarity on how the business should be run.
5. Opting an ein Employer-Identifikation Number.
Apply for an EIN from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business and is necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on your state's requirements, you may need to register for state taxes, such as sales tax or employer withholding tax. 7. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a business bank account. This helps with accounting and legal liability protection. 8. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Check local and state regulations to determine if you need any permits or licenses to operate your clothing business legally. This may include a resale permit, home occupation permit, if you're running the business from home, or specific industry licenses. 9. Trademark your brand. Consider trademarking your brand name and logo to protect your intellectual property and prevent others from using them. 10. Maintain compliance. Stay compliant with all federal, state, and local regulations, including annual filings and taxes. Keep accurate financial records and hold regular meetings to maintain your LLC's legitimacy. It's often a good idea to consult with a legal or financial professional who specializes in business formation to ensure you're completing all the necessary steps correctly. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.